Hey y'all, we jumping right into the video. I'm going to start by brushing out my brows and going in with my eyebrow pencil. It's in the color dark brown. I got it from my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to overdraw my brows. Now I'm just going to take my spoolie and brush out my brows just so they won't look so harsh. Now I'm going to apply concealer to the bottom of my brow. I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toffee, which is not my color at all. I shouldn't have used it. Now I'm going to blend out the concealer that I just applied, and since my color is so light, I'm going to have to blend for dear life. Now I'm just going to be repeating the process on the other eyebrow, starting out by outlining it with the concealer and then blending everything out. Now I'm just going to be applying that concealer all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it out just so it can act as a base for our eyeshadow. I'm going to go back over the concealer that I just applied and set it with some Black Radiance loose setting powder. Now I am going to go in my crease with the plum shade that I pointed out. It's out of the James Charles palette, as you've seen, but I'm just taking that color and packing it in my crease. And I'm also going to blend it out as well. After blending that plum shade out, I'm going to apply the hot pink on the outer edge of the plum shade just so that it can be like a seamless blend. So at this point, I had to go back in and add a color that I wasn't even planning on using. It's like a deeper purple, but I applied it because I feel like my crease wasn't as deep as I wanted it to be. So I'm just deepening up that crease right now. I'm just gonna go in and add an eyeshadow color that's close to my skin color, just so that it can be an even blend up to my brow area. It's time to cut the crease now. I'm just taking the concealer that I used around my brow area, and I'm gonna go a little bit over where my natural crease is because my eyes are a little smaller. Now I'm going to go back in with the purple just to blend out that outer corner. So I'm going to go back in with that plum color next to the purple just to give it the gradient effect from dark to light. Now we're going to go back in with the highlighter pink and blend that next to the plum color that we used earlier. Here I'm adding more of that plum color so that I won't lose it in the hot pink. Then I'm going to go in with the lightest pink on an angled brush in that inner corner. I'm just going to go back in with that hot pink around my cut crease because I feel like I lost it a little bit. Now I'm going to go in and wipe off all the excess eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in and apply these lashes from me. They're called Period. They're 25mm lashes from my lash collection, She's So Fancy Hair Co. Take my Maybelline Fit Me matte foundation in the color 360, and I'm just gonna swipe it all over my face and then go back and buff it in. As you can see, I don't use much foundation. I love the full coverage look, but without using so much product. going to take that concealer and go under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, the chin area, and also in the middle of my forehead. Now I'm going to go in and apply a darker concealer under my eyes and in my chin area. I don't know why I did it. I never do it. It was just a spur of the moment thing. Here I'm just going to be taking my foundation brush and blending out more of that concealer. Put way too much, so I'm just trying to blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance loose setting powder. I'm going to put it all up under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead area. I'm just going to take my cream contour kit in the color medium to dark, use the darkest shade on there, and apply it in my cheek areas. I started applying it and it looked gray to me, so then I went and applied something else and it just turned into a hot mess. So I'll be back. Now I'm just going to take my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee and go right over where I placed that cream contour. I'm just going to take my foundation brush again and blend everything together. Then I'm going to grab my Maxi Blush Rimmel London and just lightly apply some. And I love this color because it went so well with the eyeshadow that I was wearing. Now I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray and I'm just going to get my fluffy brush and blend everything in so it can look like butter honey. Here's my favorite step, the highlights. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution palette, the Pro Glow 2, and it's the goldish looking highlighter. I love this on me, it's so cute. Here I'm just going to go back and add some of that Black Radiance setting powder. Now I'm going to be applying some of the NYX lip butter. I think it's in the color Praline. Okay, you guys, here's the finished look. I had to let my hair down. I'll leave the details down below. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my first YouTube video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.